Hello, my name is Teddy Kim, and today we're gonna talk about why Newton gravity was wrong. Newton made an equation for the force of gravity. Let's write that in small lowercase g. Force of gravity equal to mass 1 times mass 2 over distance squared. It was something similar to this, maybe something at the left of this, but the wrong part is all in this, so we don't need the exact equation. Now, Newton thought there needed to be two masses, and Newton didn't add a thing that has to do with time. And Einstein said, wait, aren't there supposed to be any times involved? Because if the sun suddenly disappeared, all the planets will just fling off and it'll just fling off with no time. No time means that gravitational force was released faster than the speed of light, which Einstein thought wrong, and also Newton thought it was quite wrong too, so even he was embarrassed of his equation. And now there's another reason is you can only think after you know a little bit about general relativity of Einstein, but with general relativity, light curve because of gravity too. That was confirmed by an experiment which was performed in 1919, and now people experimented by a solar eclipse, moon and earth. This is, of course, not to scale, but we'll just see how it works. Now, what happened was, there was a solar eclipse, so people could see the sun without burning their eyes, and there was a star which was over here. And if we draw a line like that, the sun is blocking it, so we can't see the star, but the light going this way was bent by the sun and came to us, so we saw the star over here. The star was originally here, but the people saw experimenting here. Now we can see that light curve, but what makes light? It's photons. Then, does photons have mass? No, it doesn't have any mass, so it can move at speeds of light. So we can confirm that this equation is wrong, because it has mass to do with it, but photons doesn't have any mass, but it feels the force of gravity. So Einstein thought of the general relativity. General relativity is a theory explaining gravity.